Vuleka mnyango wasentshona ngingene.
Vuleka mnyango wasentshona ngingene.
Nduku yobukhosi Anpu.
Nduku yobukhosi Anpu.
Ngihole kulesango.
Ngihole kulesango.
Mkhapikazi.
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 Bayethe kuwe Anpu.
Bayethe kuwe Anpu.
Wena unobuso bempungushe.
Wena unobuso bempungushe.
Qaphi wezwe lokhokho.
Qaphi wezwe lokhokho.
Ungumholi walaba abakulandelayo.
Ungumholi walaba abakulandelayo.
Ngibonise indlela engingahamba ngayo ngokuthula.
Ngibonise indlela engingahamba ngayo ngokuthula.
Ngoba ngiqotho.
Ngoba ngiqotho.
Bayethe kuwe what?
Bayethe kuwe what?
Mvuli wezindlela.
Mvuli wezindlela.
Udumo kuwe.
Udumo kuwe.
Herseshat.
Herseshat.
Wena usekufihlekeni.
Wena usekufihlekeni.
Ngiyakudumisa Kenti Amentu.
Ngiyakudumisa Kenti Amentu.
Wena Nkosana yezwe lasentshona.
Wena Nkosana yezwe lasentshona.
Bayethe kuwe Neptajosa.
Bayethe kuwe Neptajosa.
Uyinkosi yendawo engcwele.
Uyinkosi yendawo engcwele.
Siyavusela kuwe immuted.
Siyavusela kuwe immuted.
Ohlala egunjini lokumbeza umzimba womufi.
Ohlala egunjini lokumbeza umzimba.
Anpu.
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 Ashu.
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 Atefnut.
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 Anut.
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 Ageb.
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 Aasa.
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 Aosek.
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 Aneptet.
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 Aset.
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 Ajehud.
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 Amaat.
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 Asechmet.
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 Aheteru.
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 Amhlab.
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 Alifat.
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 Aheru.
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 Akileli nama, akileli watapu.
Yo, kilela moya.
Yo, kilela moya wa.
Akileli nama,
Yo,
kilela watapu.
Yo, kilela. Yo, kilela moya wa.
yo, kilela moya.
Yo, kilela.
with so much joy, so much excitement, because we live in the times that we know who we are. Before I greet you, I want to tell you about the topic. It is so exciting. The topic today is melanin. Now, this is one of the words that we know what it is, according to Google, according to the dictionary. They always say that it's this dark brown to black pigment occurring in the hair, skin, and the iris of our eyes. And you find it in people and in animals, meaning that's what makes our eyes black and our hair and mostly our skin. That's all we can find. That's all we can find, but we never really learned the depth of this. We never learned how to link this in terms of our spirituality. Why was it important that the ancestors were created black? And what have we lost along the way? Because now black has become associated with the color of evil, with the color of nothingness, the color of oppression. Now Mkhulu Nsingiza has a gift to awaken our spirituality, because we've lived a world of forgetting our truth and mostly the beauty that has made this universe that is standing in front of you today. Because we are a universe, that is something we cannot run away. Science proves that. So ndinibulise ke ngikwazi uba ndithethe apha ndingabanqulanga osophitsho ngqolomsila oyemyem. Ndithi kumama onzalayo kwesasibeleko that really welcomed me. Ndithi kuwe mphangomo, ndiwe kuwe jolinkomo, ndiwe kuwe qengeba. Ndithi we are always aligned. We always find each other. So I'm very grateful, and mostly ndiyanibulisa zindlovukazi. Ndiyanibulisa Ndithi I don't take this opportunity for granted. I'm always grateful because ndiyayazi ukuthi you welcome me, the love that you always give me, and the support. So ndithi this is our home. This is a home that allows us to know who we are. This is a home where we relax and really talk about umuntu omnyama, and mostly the spirituality, umoya wakho, because we have followed so many laws that really took us to the mess and mostly to the pain that we cannot get out of it. So today's topic, as I said, is melanin. I mean, it is so beautiful. I cannot wait for Mkhulu Nsingiza when he unpacks this. And mostly, we're going to have Gogo Mukhadi, which is going to give us the announcements. The love that we always give her. Mukhadi, you still have it even today. It will never go away. So Mukhadi is going to do that, and Mukhadi will hand it back to me, and then I will just do 2 or 3 words just to welcome Mkhulu Nsingiza with the topic. So we are going to know now the meaning of black, the truth about it. So that is what it is about today. So Mukhadi, we are waiting on you, boo-boo. Please come.
Linti Mangoma. Thokozani. Anpu. 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 Thokozani. Dikhosi dikhosigadi. Thokoza Ndlovukazi. Thokoza Mkhulu. Rally amkhela on our last Sunday. I have nice eyes actually. Last Sunday ya rona. Yeah, Anpu. Thank you for everybody, Otlileng, even the old faces, Mudimume, you know, everybody, Bokoko, Dalat Nganboni, Nani, Sabonga, your presence, everybody, Likoko there at the corner, Talaka Saboni, Loena. So thank you, everybody, Otlileng, and thank you, everybody who's tuned in on Instagram and on YouTube, on Facebook as well. So before Kebala, the things started, Amantangle the season, yeah, Anpu. Just gonna do a quick announcement. So the house rules tarona. For the ladies, we have our bathroom on the right, your left, and then for our kings, komoraho, our short right, there's a Enyani, go. And then on our social media, we are Great Empire of Kemet Mkhulu on both Facebook and on YouTube. And then on Instagram, Twitter, we are GEK_movement. And I got it right today. High five to me. And then we also have a social group on Facebook. Kibona Bakhulu Basekemu. So there's other people who are also aligned with our mission of Black unity and returning us to our true places, ebukhosini bethu. So there's people who share a lot of stuff there. If you wanna know about more Kemet stuff you've been questioning, please also join that. That one is per request. Okay, it's more free, but it's per request, so you can also join that. But do follow us on our other social media pages. We drop content all the time. And what else, Mkhulu? On socials, that's it, ne? Yeah, so also YouTube, please also like us on YouTube, watch our content. There's all content you can also check it out. So just make sure it's Great Empire of Kemet with the Bona Bakhulu. And then we have a mini market on my right here, just behind the shields and our calendar. We get yourself an Ankh. This is our #1 core accessory, go Kemet. So get yourself an Ankh. Can ask any of us here, what does the Ankh mean? I think, yeah, you can even ask the babies. They know what the Ankh means. Get yourself an Ankh. He's also got other accessories, Mkhulu. Yeah, also nice things. Get yourself nice rings as well. I don't know if he's got books. Do you have books? There's herbs. Oh, we've got herbs as well. We've also got, do you know off by heart? Yeah, but the stuff, your nice immune boosters and everything, the also on our market, so just pass by here after. And then, okay, no kitobala the season of Anpu. This is our last Sunday. Anpu, the next time we meet, it's gonna be our Sekhmet Bast season. All right, so our Anpu season, ikalaka the 23rd of April, ifelaka the 22th of May. Okay, so Anpu, the stone, so Anpu is a serpentine stone. I think Mkhulu also has for the market. It's a serpentine stone. Color ya tengi kapa mala umbala is black, so that's why Mkhulu is also dripping swag and is black today. Yeah, yeah. Mkhulu is the original babes wendwang right here. So yeah, so it's the color black. So lekom samo, as you can see, our candle is a black candle. I can't buy the color black. So Mkhulu unpackela today what this black is about. Why bare luanta so for this color ya rona. Or triple scenes. And then Nsingiza too is a brass metal. And Mpepo is a cassia. I don't know if Mkhulu managed to get that incense. Then the scent is camphor. So camphor in Elitasaka winter. This is the season. Mkhulu, do you have the block of camphor? Okay, that smells amazing. I'm sure you can hook you guys up if you want. And then Sifate Sarona, kapa isihlahla, is a date palm tree. Izilwane, kapa di pofolo, kapa di holохolo. Ki a dog, inja, impungushe, a jackal, impisi, a wolf, isi, every week. Isi gingatu, or inkumabulongwe, khulabulokwe, a beetle. So also that you'll see in our lessons as well. We will also touch on the beetle as a creature. And so with the animals, you just check the characteristics, yeah, what this animal does. So after our session, you can also check on our wall here, there's a mural with Anpu. So if you know what Anpu is about. So you'll just see, if you want an image of Anpu, he's got a dog face as well. All right, and then, so those are the things there. You can either put komsamo how, or you can, if it's a stone, just wear it. If it's a color, or resonate. We are resonating. We're trying to get back into proper alignment. And then we also have our book. This is not a good one. You see, it's been used. Yeah, but yeah, we have our books. It's 150. This is the calendar where it unpacks. I think a lot of people babota hore. What is the book that Mkhulu reads? Hare Phahla. We also had Phahla O'Clock. Yeah, when we had Phahla O'Clock in the mornings, Mkhulu would be reading from this book. This is our Kemet African Royal Calendar book. And then we've also got a digital calendar. It's got the months and that season is about. So it's based Kalaka September calendar ya rona, which brings me to, oh, here's a nice copy. See, it's nice. Mine is used. Oh. So this is 150. So you're gonna send us an email to acquire that on info@gkmovement.com. .org for organization. Yeah, we will attend you. There's a team that is working on that. So even if khonali delay in your book, you've made your order, you want to follow up, please just drop us that, especially on Sundays since we're all here together. Just drop us that, just najas horenoki odile buka kana so, and yeah, we'll sort it out for you. And then our other thing we have on Tuesdays, mokhorong, renale a book we read. Do you have it? So we have a reading club. This is Mkhulu's copy. So he's been reading and rereading this book, and this has also intensified knowledge. So it's one of the books that he read to acquire the knowledge of who we are as a people. So this is the sacred magic of ancient Egypt. So from your basics, hore, why mobu ole color brown? You're gonna find it in this book. Why your red skirts? It's all in this book, you know. So I think on Tuesdays we've just been having struggles via load shedding, but we attempt to go live on Tuesdays. Go Instagram ka 5:30. No, but it's 6, ne? Moved it to 6. Yes. So it starts at 6 p.m. Do join us. Yeah, I don't know what chapter they're on now, but come through or tune in, drop questions on the live as well. Mkhulu is more than welcome to answer those questions. And then we're also going to be restarting our pushing of black businesses on Wednesdays. So for that, if you want to promote your business and it's black owned, proper Melanin people, black owned, please drop us an email as well. Go info@gkmovement. So we're going to be restarting with that. Yeah, can we just learn how to circulate the rand, because September 23rd, that is gonna be testimony. Actually, we can unite as black people, you know, and we're setting that trajectory forward. You know, black unity, black economy, because right now, unfortunately, other people very feeder, you know, we are fed by other people. We can't sustain ourselves in anything. So Harka Unite, guys, under the calendar, 23rd of September, will be go FNB. We're gonna, Mkhulu? Oh, sorry, ish. I have an FNB image, ne? Yeah, Marso, we're gonna say FNB. Orlando Stadium, right here, Orlando Stadium. So we're filling that up. So the stuff that we pass around in the week, there's a countdown, go Facebook. Please just share it as well. You know, share that, like it, engage in it as well. Ask questions, the questions you have. If you're not answered fully, as well. So 23 September, that is our African New Year according to nature. We don't want to be supreme above anybody else. That is what nature says. For September, everything starts anew. So I'm going to hand over to Gogo now. And oh yes, and also thank you to everybody. Yeah, everybody, whatever role that you play here. You know, yeah, most of us, like, we're not chasing the acknowledgement, but please consider that acknowledge. We're really, really grateful for that. And that, like everybody who is pitching for this bigger mission, you know, because you know, we're here to also give them life. As much as they're giving us life, we're also here to give them life. And over to Gogo, Melanin Power. Anpu. Anpu.
The winter solstice.
Oh, sorry, yes. So, we have another big one before September. So we have our winter solstice, 21st June. So we're gonna be gathering, most Gojong. It'll be a spiritual 6 to 6. So we're gonna be grooving right here. Just come with your drums. We'll send more communication as the time goes by, but please just prepare yourselves for the winter solstice. There's going to be offerings that are going to be taken as well. So if you want to contribute to that as well, just nudge myself, nudge whoever that you know from GEK, and then but there'll be more clear communication with the time. Coco will unpack what the winter solstice is about, hantle. But that was Gadi 21 June, and we're going to be entering into the set season as well. So was that.
A round of applause for Mkhulu. Thank you so much for showing us your eyes today. Thank you. We really appreciate that. And mostly your commitment. I mean, you're always here on time. And since the day you walked in this community and the movement, you've always been here. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. And I love it how she clarifies that this is something that you use, Msamo wako. Umsamo means that's your sacred place that you've created in your private home, where you align your home, yourself, because you are Umsamo yourself. The energy you put out there, you must always remember, it is the energy within you. The nature, how we align ourselves, because we, the movement, GEK, the great empire of movement, it's aligned with the movement of our calendar, meaning you follow what it's winter. What does winter mean into your soul? What does winter mean into your business? What does winter mean into your family? So that is why, so Okokobe, to learn to Guti, you are not separate from what is happening. You are the diamond that is in our land that was stolen. They stole part of our soul. So everything that is happening on the land, it is your soul. They stole our soul. We need to be very much aware of that, because without the land, you cannot be able to appreciate who you are. So we need to be very much aware. So Masipatla said, Anpu, we're talking about the souls and the ancestors, Amadlozi, that created this vibration that made Umdomnyama, or a human being, to live on planet Earth, which is Ugab. So, but I will do the clarification and more education before the meditator. But thank you so much. Winter solstice, it is the longest night of the year, which we celebrate. Again, we're following which calendar? The solar, the solar calendar. So that is when Ilanga now is returning to the southern hemisphere. So basically that is supposed to be, I don't want to use that word, but I'll use a word. It's supposed to be our Christmas, but I don't want to use that first one. That is supposed to be our Christmas, because it is the alignment with the sun is returning. So that our Kokobe together were so much vigilant to learn. So that is why Father Christmas can be able to wear all those beard and those big things that they wear, because now we are following something that is happening in the northern hemisphere. And this is something that we underestimate. When you are not aligned with your calendar, you have to come as Gordon and learn, what does that do to your spirituality? What does that do to your inner core? Because once you are this misalignment, this is the chaos we are living every day, because your soul is not aligned. And especially the melanin, that's now we can find that people are really changing their skin color, only because they don't understand the importance. Because everything that is in you, it is aligned with Amadlozi wako. So Mkhulu Nsingiza, that is for you to come and really unpack this. And Mkhulu is very, our emotions are going to be so bare and open, like, okay, Mkhulu, you did not just say that. But we always, always appreciate that. So that is your Chuge Mkhulu. Please come and teach us. This is a lecture, Betunana. You are here to learn, ask questions, because once we understand our truth, we'll be able to move forward. And please, thank you so much for wearing those earrings. I love them so much. That's a very, very powerful, I think it's a Ghanaian, one of the languages, Sankofa. Yes, go back and fetch it. Yes, so that's a symbol of such a powerful African ancient wisdom, if I remember correctly. Yes, but now if you see the chicken, the legs are facing forward, so I mean, let's move on to forward, but to the future, but then the head till go back to the roots, That's exactly what. Thank you for wearing those. I want them. Thank you so much. That's for you. Or Mkhulu, do you want to sing a bit?
Awenda bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama gandaba Awenda bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama gandaba Awenda bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama gandaba Awumkondo kwanyaga zumkondo Awumkondo kwanyaga zumkondo Awumkondo kwanyaga zumkondo Awumkondo kwanyaga zumkondo Awenda bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama gandaba bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama gandaba bezita Konyana ya makosa kwa Zulu Konyama